8:43 in the morning, Sunday, August 18th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. I haven't seen any javelinas. I saw one rabbit when I was getting off the truck, but I haven't seen any wildlife. Guess it meant to be too hot. I was thinking of going to one of the other parks, but I probably won't. In like McKelvey Park or not the Harlingen Thicket. That one's, I don't know if it's bigger than this here. It's got a lot of trails. Or the Harlingen Sports Complex. That one has a lot of ducks. It's extremely humid. Alright, so I should be approaching to see how the Arroyo Colorado looks like. As in water-wise, as in if it's got a lot of water. Now it's dropped a lot of water. Oh, let me come down over here. The water level has gone down dramatically. Few 2 to 3 feet. I don't know, there's something there. You can see those bubbles right in that area. Don't know what that is. Oh, I never. Oh, there was something there. Never seen this low here. Not sure what that was. Never seen the water level this low in this part. I was so anxious to get here that I should have stopped at the Walmart first. That way I don't have to go back to Walmart. Buy some stuff there. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video here. I'm gonna save this down, I don't wanna drop it.